Morning, the Alexis Railroad, first day of winter, December 21st, 2021. A CSX train passes slowly off in the distance, prompted by the sound and the appearance of a house under construction just across the road. I feel led to take a beautiful fall hayride on my own railroad. Joy to the world. It's an odd thing. It seems like my trains move smoother uphill than they do downhill. It's the first day of winter at the Alexis Railroad.